Well, Friday morning, December, 16th, 9 days to Christmas. I guess I better get this job finished. Get on to work here. What we got here? I want you to look at that. That's all the help I got today. Look at him. Can't get him out of bed. Can't get him to do nothing. He won't even eat. What are you doing, boy? If you ain't a sight, who spoiled you like that? Mama, granddaddy? Who spoiled you like that? You ain't supposed to be all spoiled up like that. You're supposed to be out in the pond, lake, woods somewhere, doing your job, and now you laid up in the bed all covered up. My pillow. Oh, you got to quit costing me $25 a night. Hey, boy, look at me when I'm talking to you. Talk to me when I'm looking at you.